In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find an email in the Spark app on your phone. If your inbox moves fast and you need to pull up a specific message without scrolling, Spark's built-in search makes it simple. We're going to walk through a short, reliable process so you can jump straight to the email you need. Start by opening the Spark app on your device. Give it a moment to load your inbox so everything is up to date. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and tap the magnifying glass icon. This is Spark's universal search, and it's the fastest entry point to finding messages across your accounts. After you tap the magnifying glass, tap inside the search bar at the top of the screen. Your keyboard will pop up and you're ready to type. Spark is flexible about what you can enter here. Type the email subject if you remember it, the sender's name if that's what you recall, or any meaningful keyword related to the message. For example, you might use a project name, a brief phrase from the subject line, or a unique term that would only appear in that conversation. The more specific your keyword, the fewer results you'll need to scan. As you type, Spark will start showing results that match. Take a moment to glance through the list. You'll usually see the sender, the subject line, and a short preview that helps you confirm you've found the right thread. If your first search doesn't immediately surface the email you want, adjust your wording slightly. Try a different term from the subject, switch from a generic word to something more distinctive, or type the sender's name instead of the topic. Small tweaks can dramatically refine the results. When you spot the email you're after, tap it in the results to open it. Spark will take you straight into that conversation where you can read, reply, forward, or take any follow-up action you need. If it turns out not to be the right one, just go back and continue refining your search until you land on the exact message. That's all there is to it. Open Spark, tap the magnifying glass, tap the search bar, type a subject, sender, or keyword, and then tap the matching email to open it. With this quick flow, you'll spend less time scrolling and more time getting things done. Thanks for watching and happy searching in Spark.